Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to revisit Numpy. Now, one of the last times I showed you a couple of things. Let's make sure I get this right. So I showed you how to import Numpy and create an array and then reshape it. Well, I just wanted to show you that, but that's not best practice because I didn't want to overwhelm you. So I'm going to show you the Arange, and I'm pretty sure you can figure this out. So table Numpy Arange, and if you're lazy like me, you'll love this. Print table. So we don't even have to, it is a shortcut. Numpy is heavily mathematic based, and it understands all the things that are already in Python, and it says, hey, why don't we put it in there for you? So okay, now let's show you another best practice. So let's look at this. So we can actually stack this all together because this is an array. So let's just run this. So now this is our 2x5. So let's get rid of, well, let's leave this here. Let's copy it. Copy, paste, comment that out. So all right, we need to talk about something. Attributes. So that's one way to reshape. Now I'm going to show you another way, and here's some of the attributes. Alright, this is a list of attributes that are, let me make sure this is in, okay, good, that are tied to Numpy arrays. So we are going to look at shape, a tuple array dimension. So let's shrink this back down. So if we remember, an attribute, it's not a function, it's a value. So we look at the attribute just like this. So it's shape. So okay, that's a one-dimensional. It's 10 across. It's flat. So now you can literally do it this way. You can change it. So we saw 2x5. So it said it was a tuple, right? So boom. Table 2x5. You can literally do it just like this. There's one more way to lay out an array. We're not going to do it here. We're going to work our way through it. There's another deeper function inside other modules that are attached to this. So this is just, I don't know. Numpy is awesome. It has a lot of features. It is extremely powerful, and we're just going to slowly start building. So as always, guys, thanks for joining us. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We got awesome videos like this coming out all the time. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.